First of all, say this. This is our next Python project. This is the one of the best and easiest password generator which I created in Python. The key concept of this code is while loops. So guys, in this video, I am talking about one of the most important concept of the Python programming called while loops. Loops are used to doing a particular task repetitively. In Python, there are two types of loops are present. The first is for loop, which I covered in the previous video. So if you missed that video, just check out it. I given the link of that video in description box. So guys, now let's begin this video. First of all, it is important to know how actually while loop works. Basically, while loop is a work on condition which is given by the coder, and loop runs until the condition is true. Whenever the condition becomes false, then loop will stop. So guys, this is a mechanism of while loop. I hope you will understand it. Now we are moved to the second chapter in which I am telling you how to create a loop. So first we use while keyword to define the type of loop. After that, we enter our condition in parenthesis bracket, or we use space after while keyword. So both methods are works exactly same. After the condition, we use semicolon and press enter for entering in the code block of while loop. Here you will write a code who runs when the condition of while loop is true. Now these are some practical examples that teach you way better than me. But it is important to check the indentation of code block. Example 1. In this example, I created an infinite while loop. When I run it, you can see it prints a hello world infinite times. This program writes hello world again and again until you close or kill your terminal. For creating infinite loop, I created a variable whose value is true, and I created a while loop. Here you can see this condition is always true. There are no increment and decrement in the value of a. So the value of a will never change and the condition remains always true. This is output of example 1. Example 2. This is a finite loop. You can see here after I running this while loop, the value of a is increasing by 1. So after some time the value of a becomes more than 10 and loop will stop. So guys, this is a concept of finite loop. Majority times we use finite loops in coding. This is a output of example 2. Example 3. This is a while loop with pass keyword. The pass keyword works as a placeholder in functions and loop. With the help of pass keyword, Python does not show error because of incomplete loop. Now we add the code whenever we want. Similarly, pass keyword works in functions. Example 4. We learn about if-else statement in previous videos. Else statement will runs whenever our main condition of while loop becomes false. Every time else statement will execute if the loop is finite. This is an output of example 4. This is a practical example of while loop. This is a password generator and also our next project. I use finite while loop here. So guys, if you like this video, just press the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel.